Welcome back to Canadian Chums This and That. Today we got Luna. She wants to play with this bag and she'll probably try to get inside. She seems to always want to get inside every bag. Now she probably won't do it because I'm recording her. You gonna try to get inside that bag, Luna? Hey? Oh, I'm gonna eat that bag. Oh, come on. I want to get in the bag. Get in the bag. Come on, bag. I don't know if I can fit in there. I'm so tired. That bag. I like my Canada Dry ginger ale. It's good for you. It's very good for you. Oh, that bag feels so nice. Oh, here we go. Here we go now. I knew she'd try to get in that bag. Luna, you're in the bag. Your head's in the bag. What are you trying to do? You're too... Yeah. Bag head. We got a bag head happening. Oh! Oh, knock the ginger ale over. She says, I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll put it against the wall and then get inside it. Here we go. Really? Really? You're in the bag. Is that comfortable? Comfortable in the bag? Hey? Are you comfortable? Oh, here we go. What's going on now? What's going on? Can you get out of the bag? She says, I don't know. I'm trying here. I'm trying to get out of the bag. Bag head. It's like those old ladies when they go out and they don't want to get water in their hair or rain on their head. They put on the bag. Well, how you doing there, bag head? Wow. Ginger ale, Canada Dry. Peekaboo, I see you. What is that? What's going on over here? Can't you get out of the bag? I'm gonna have to help you out of that bag, aren't I? I can do it. You're strange. Boo. Boo. Says, I watch you play Goat Simulator. I want to lick the bag. Lick the bag. Alright, come on. There. You happy? You happy now? Luna says, bye-bye.